Hey, what's up, Buy Smart family? Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the nitty-gritty of tech to help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're throwing two heavyweight champions into the ring. In the left corner, we have the AMD Ryzen 5-3600, and in the right corner, the Intel Core i5-13600K. It's a battle of brains, brawn, and, well, a lot of really tiny transistors. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about what really matters: the cash, the dough, the moolah. The Ryzen 5 3600 comes in at a budget-friendly $199. That's right, folks, under $200. Meanwhile, the Intel i5-13600K is flexing its muscles with a $329 price tag. That's a whole $130 more. For that extra cash, you could buy a nice dinner or, a small island. So if you're looking to keep your wallet happy, Ryzen's got you covered. Now let's talk performance. AMD claims the Ryzen 5 3600 is the world's most advanced processor in the desktop PC gaming segment. With 6 cores and 12 threads, it promises ultra-fast 100+ FPS in the world's most popular games. It's like the Usain Bolt of processors, but without the gold medals or the Jamaican accent. On the flip side, Intel's i5-13600K is packing 14 cores. Yes, you heard me right, 14 cores and 20 threads. It's like Intel decided to throw in a few extra cores just for fun. And with a max boost of 5.1 GHz, this thing is faster than a cheetah on Red Bull. Plus, it's got integrated Intel UHD graphics 770, so you can actually see how fast it is. According to reviews, the Ryzen 5 3600 is praised for its gaming and multitasking capabilities. But some users note it can run hot under heavy loads. Meanwhile, reviewers love the i5-13600K for its exceptional performance in multitasking and demanding tasks, maintaining low temperatures even during heavy gaming sessions. Cooling solutions, because no one likes a hothead. Ryzen 5 3600 comes bundled with the AMD Wraith Stealth Cooler. It's quiet, efficient, and, let's be honest, a pretty cool name. I mean, who wouldn't want a Wraith cooling their processor? However, some reviewers suggest opting for a third-party cooler for better performance under heavy loads. Intel, however, decided to go the figure-it-out-yourself route. No thermal solution included. That's right, folks, you get a shiny new processor and a scavenger hunt to find a cooler. Fun times! Despite this, reviewers highlight that the i5-13600K maintains low temperatures, making it a solid choice for long-term use. Ryzen 5 3600 supports the Advanced Socket AM4 platform and PCIe 4.0 on X570 motherboards. It's like having a VIP pass to the coolest club in town. Plus, it supports Windows 10, RHEL-X 86 64-bit, and Ubuntu X 86 64-bit. Talk about being well-rounded. According to users, it's reliable for both gaming and content creation, making it a versatile option. Intel's i5-13600K is compatible with Intel 600 series and 700 series chipset-based motherboards. It might need a BIOS update, though, because who doesn't love a little extra homework? But hey, it also supports PCIe 5.0 and 4.0 Intel Optane memory and comes with Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0. It's like the Swiss Army knife of processors. Reviewers appreciate its compatibility with the latest features and chipsets, making it a future-proof choice. Overall, the AMD Ryzen i5-13600 is highly recommended for its affordability, gaming performance, and multitasking capabilities, although it can run hot under heavy loads. On the other hand, the Intel Core i5-13600K is praised for its exceptional performance, multitasking capabilities, and low temperatures, making it a top choice for power users and gamers. So there you have it, folks. The AMD Ryzen 5-3600 and the Intel Core i5-13600K, duking it out for your hard-earned cash. If you're on a budget and love a good cooler, Ryzen's your guy. But if you want all the cores, all the speed, and don't mind splurging a bit, then Intel's got your back. Let us know in the comments which processor you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and as always, happy shopping. Product links are in the description.